Shaitanir-Rajim. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Respected principal, teachers and my dear school fellows, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Areesha and I am from class 2 Turquoise. Today I am here to share my views about education. Education plays a very important role in everyone's life. Education plays a very important role in everyone's life. It helps us to be successful and to be a better person. Education improves our knowledge, skills, confidence and personality. No one can deny its importance. सआदत से आदत इबादत है इल्म, सआदत से आदत इबादत है इल्म, बसीरत है दौलत है ताकत है इल्म. Our religion Islam also places a